Hello everyone, again this is Antonio and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. This video we're talking about the company called Save. And before we jump into Save and speaking about Save, for those that don't know anything about my channel or the purpose of my channel, on this channel we speak about personal and business credit. We speak about cryptocurrencies and stocks and certain stocks that may interest you. Now, without further ado, I also speak about niche banking. And the thing about niche banking is, traditionally when we were younger, you can go into a bank and you could just open up a savings and a personal checking account. But things have changed. There are now niche banks. There are banks for immigrants. There are banks for people to boost their credit. And there are also banks for people that just want to save. Now with Save, what makes them so interesting is with Save Debit Invest, you spend $1, we invest $1 on your behalf. So Save is like your own personal 401k in a sense. And so let's dive on into and speak more about Save, because the model on Team Tiggio is we see the news and we report the news. Checking and savings with market returns. Now there's a smarter way to grow your money. Your Save account is powered by a new approach to savings and investment technology that makes better returns possible, while your initial deposit is 100% FDIC insured. Save is featured in Yahoo Finance, Forbes, Financial Times, Markets Insider. Invest in the market and keep your money safe. If you want to reach your savings goals without risking your money in the market, it's time you meet Save. Your Save account is powered by a new approach to bank technology that combines the safety of a bank account with the upside potential of market investments. The result, you get market returns with bank deposit safety. Now you can grow your wealth while keeping your money safe. And what's one intelligent thing about Save is, I don't know if any of you have your savings accounts. With an ordinary savings account, banks make money, compound interest off your savings account, but you barely earn any dividends on your own money. But with Save, it's going to be a little different because they help and match your money dollar for dollar. This, instead of going through a company to do your own 401k, there are now niche banks where you can do your own 401k. You can do your own 401k with things like platforms like Acorn and amongst others. And Save is another one that you can use. Debit Invest card. You spend $1, we invest $1 on your behalf, with average returns of 2.97%. The Save Debit Invest cards earn potential beats even the best credit cards. Let me repeat that because I kind of butchered it. The Save Debit Investment cards earning potential beats even the best credit cards. So you can earn more from the money you are already spending. All right. Market savings account. Give your savings a chance to grow more. Investing in the market is risky and interest rates are at record lows. So how do you grow your money without putting it all at risk? Save delivers 3.7% average returns by investing your interest into a diversified portfolio. Now your savings has a chance to truly grow while your deposits are 100% safe. See how your money adds up over time. There are 3 ways to earn with Save. Debit Invest card. Spend $1, get $1 in equivalent portfolio investments. Market savings. Turn your interest into investments. Referrals. Get $1,000 in equivalent portfolio investments each time you refer. And now you can get the Save app to have it directly on your phone. About the company, we built Save because you shouldn't have to choose between keeping your money safe and giving it a chance to grow. And these are the guys who founded Save. Michael, I'm not even going to try to butcher his name, Adam Watts and Sid Brown. And I'm going to leave the link below so you can definitely read more about these guys. Three-way save puts your money front and center. Maximize your wealth with no risk to your initial investment. Make fees fair with 100% money back guarantee. Cut out the middleman and pass the savings on to you. And soon, Save will have a market savings. Finally, a savings account where your money can actually grow. Give your money a chance to truly grow with 3.7% average returns while your FDIC insured deposits stay 100% safe. And so basically this is going to be redundant and I'm not going to speak more about that. But the market savings is coming soon. So I don't want to make this a long drawn out video, but in today's age, the traditional way of banking is going to have to change. Because when people put money into their savings accounts, it doesn't actually mature over time. But with platforms like Acorns and Save and different type platforms, people are seeing how their actual money is starting to grow because these platforms are actually investing your money on your behalf. You cutting out the middleman of an employer, how you could take your money and you don't need an actual 401k, how you're going to be penalized for touching your own money. And now you have platforms like this that's going to give you an opportunity to do something different with your money. Everybody, purpose of money can be different, I guess. But what's your purpose? Do you want to be in a position where you are making money while you actually making money? Then think about using a platform like Save. So once again, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe as we'll be coming to you with more videos just like this in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.